What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to the video. If you are new here, consider subscribing because I do teach you how to be the best version of you. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
Alright guys, it's time for the end of the month recap. This one is going to be for September of 2018. If you don't know what the end of the month recap is, I basically go over 5 categories. How I felt physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, and financially. I give myself a rating of 1 out of 5 for each of those categories. So the first one is physically. I felt really good physically. I did not miss a gym session this month. However, I'm giving myself a 4 because my diet was not a 5. It wasn't a 2 or 3, but it definitely wasn't a 5. I did have a few cheat meals, or cheat days rather, so I can't give myself a 5 in good conscience. So I'm giving myself a 4 for physically. Again, I did, get into the gym, make those gains, but I didn't eat as clean as I would have liked to in the month of September. The next one is mentally. Mentally, it was okay this month. I'm giving myself a 3. I did have more bad days that I can recall as opposed to previous months. Just how I was feeling on the inside, just because sometimes I get caught up in the routine of working a regular job and that draining me because I don't feel fulfilled whatsoever while I'm there. But making these videos is obviously polar opposite. I feel super fulfilled, I'm super passionate about it. So I'm giving myself a 3 for mentally. I did have more good days than bad, obviously, but a little more bad days than prior months. So socially, I'm giving myself a 3. We did a lot of things in the month of September. We went out a lot, which I was happy about because it's always good to enjoy. I did see my friends. We did a fantasy football draft. So we did a lot of things. So I'm giving myself a solid 3. Again, not the best month, but definitely not the worst either. So I'm giving myself a 3. Giving myself a 2 spiritually. I didn't write down things that I was grateful for as much as I should. I'm 3 for 3 in the month of October. It's October 3rd right now. I've done it all 3 days. So I'm gonna keep that momentum going. I didn't do a lot of active meditation, a lot of active manifesting and really picturing my goals and picturing where I wanna see myself. So I need to get back to that, so I'm giving myself a 2. And then financially, guys, I'm giving myself a 5. Lily and I have been frugal. We've been saving any excess money, any surplus of money we have, we've just dumped right into our savings account. So we're obviously saving up for the wedding, so that is definitely giving myself a 5. But the most important thing financially that happened to me in the month of September was that on the 30th, the last day of September, I've been making these YouTube videos for a year now, 2 a week at least, bonus videos, over 100 videos I've made for a year, and my channel finally got monetized. Finally, I'm able to make something off of the ads on these videos. It's gonna be pennies, I know, but it's just another step in the right direction, and it's kind of like, okay, I've been basically working for free, and I basically still am for a year. It's just a little accolade to put in my back pocket. So it's almost like a reminder from the universe, from God, for whatever you believe in. Hey dude, your hard work is starting to pay off. So I'm a prime example, guys. Put in the consistency, all right? So month of September was like a 3.2 or something like that, if my math's right. I don't know, not the best month, not the worst. I've been having a lot of average months, it seems. Let's see if we can't make October our best month yet, okay? Because, guys, it is Libra season. I am a Libra. I'm gonna make October my bitch, so let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. And I do release bonus videos just like this one because it's coming out today on Wednesday. So, again, if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I will catch you Friday.